Hi, I am Emily, and today I am going to show you how to properly attach your toy box hinge. When attached properly, your toy box will have a special lid support that will keep your little one safe. Start by loosely attaching the hinge with the provided screws. If your toy box comes with 2 hinges, repeat for the second one. Make sure that the long side of the hinge attaches to the lid. Now that you've loosely attached the hinge, go back and tighten all the screws. Now to check to see if your lid is working properly. It should not drop on its own for more than ½ an inch, which is roughly the size of a penny. It will not close all the way to ensure your child's safety. Also, make sure the ventilation openings are not blocked. If your lid is not functioning properly, or if you have any questions, please contact our consumer care team.